It's on the house. It's all brought to you by Miracle Lumber and Ace Hardware. We're right on Highway 10 Wadena. And you know, Miracle Lumber is always looking to do things different and to help you out and to help your day go easier. And how many times have you lost that key fob thing, you know, the little clicker? Or maybe you bought a pre-owned car and you only got one clicker and you need another? Well, Jason Miracle is here, and he has the solution, right?
Yeah. We started a program, probably 6-8 months ago with Duracell, and it's through Ace Hardware. And we actually have the ability to pretty much match and reorder, I would say 90% of the key fobs that are out there. And they can be the ones that have, you know, just this where there's no key, or the ones that flip out with a key, or it can even be the remotes that just come with a separate key. So kind of all of them.
Okay.
It's been going very well. The biggest thing that's working out for our customers is that if you go in here versus to a dealer, you're probably going to save anywhere from $75 to $100 or more.
Yeah.
So that's huge.
Yeah.
Now, the best way to go about it, you can certainly stop in here with your fob, or it's even easier to call and give us your model number and your year of your vehicle. We'll look it up, we'll call you back, say for sure that we can get them.
Sure.
And schedule an appointment, because when we do the programming while you're here, it takes about 15 minutes. It doesn't take a long time, but it can be tough to fit in if you just come in and say, hey, I need this key fob, because a lot of them we have to order.
Okay.
So they don't take long to get, and like I said, once we get it here, you come in about 15 minutes, we go out, program it, and you know, you have an extra set or another set. So
you know, and this is really handy. I mean, I know I've got another fob for my truck, but I don't know where it is, you know, and so you stop on out here to Miracles and they can help you out with it. And you do this over in the hardware store?
Yep, we do. Yep, along with any of your keys you need for knobs and things like that.
Right. Yeah, and if you haven't stopped by the hardware store, do so. I mean, you know, there's just a lot of neat things that they have over there and that they do for you, okay? Now, also, let's talk a little bit now, Jason, while we're standing out here, let's talk a little bit about springtime and remodeling, and the fact that you have some houses right across the highway here that are model homes, and you're kind of unique when it comes to this, aren't you?
Yeah, it's kind of been a trademark of ours going back probably till the 1950s.
Right.
So back then we used to show a lot more of them because people built a lot smaller houses.
Right. That's a fact.
But we still keep that tradition going over there. It's really helpful. Even if you don't like one of those models, you can walk in, see the size of the room, see the different products. You know, it makes a big difference when you can walk into a bedroom and, you know, I like this size, or walk into the kitchen and say this is too small, this is too big.
Right.
Things like that. Right now is a great time to come in if you're thinking about building this coming year. You know, we can put you in touch with the right builders as well. We kind of facilitate the whole process.
Correct.
From the design, you know, to the estimating and into getting into your contractors and subcontractors. And of course, those guys get busy in the next couple months here. So even if you're thinking about something for this coming fall of 2020, I would still try to get in here, you know, sooner rather than later. Get the ball rolling. We'll put you in touch with the right people and get you the pricing you need. So
and don't be afraid to stop by and check out ag buildings, garages. You know, we all need more storage room, and they have a lot of different options for you here at Miracles also. Really is a complete building center, from the mill to the hardware to you name it, from 2x4s on up. Stop and see Jason. Stop and see any one of the quality salespeople that they have for you here at Miracles. And remember to take a look at the model homes across the highway. They're open on the weekends too.
Yep, they are open every day.
All right, so stop over there and walk around a little bit and shoot them a call or stop by. We're at Miracles. It's on the house. All brought to you by Miracle Lumber and Ace Hardware. We're right on West Highway 10 Wadena.